Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, it's your boy Cyrano, but today we're going to be taking a look at the exec for GHOSTek wallet case with, some really cool features that we're going to get into in just a second. But they do state a lot of different claims about this case that we should check out, like 2 times military drop tested, up to 8 feet, and they also do make some other claims about the grip on this case and the type of protection it will provide. And it does have really good solid build to it and the materials that they're using. And let's just first jump right into the unboxing experience and just take a look at what this case might have to offer. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, do me a favor, a huge favor to the channel. I definitely appreciate you if you would subscribe and get notified for more videos. But before we do talk about this case, let's just, 1 second. I'll be right back with you. So the exec case is a really solid option for professionals and people that work in maybe an outdoor environment, and even a minimalist, the type of person that would not want to carry their wallet. Maybe they have, not everyone has a ton of credit cards. Some people have like maybe less than, maybe your ID, 2 credit cards, and like a, work pass so you can get into your job. Maybe you're a minimalist and you don't want to carry a wallet, or you just the type of person that would want to have this leather on the back of your hand and have a really nice aesthetic to it, because it does provide you with leather, polycarbonate, thermoplastic, polyurethane are just some of the materials that they did use. And they do have a built-in metal plate for magnet attachments and things of that nature. And I think they did a really good job with this one. So they do claim a bunch of things that we should probably, think about. So basically, they do, what's in the box is the wallet case, the built-in metal plate for the magnetic mounts, the detachable leather pocket for 4 cards, raised lip for the camera, shock protection, as well as non-slip grip. They do also claim that it's going to be lifted bumper protection for the screen and shock absorbing corners, as well as wirelessly charging this thing compatibly. So most of those claims are, pretty much, correct. And we're going to jump into the overall build of this thing. And it does have a really nice solid aesthetic to it. It has this matte finish to the back of it, which is extremely soft to the touch. And when I'm using this case, it does feel really easy to pick up off of a surface, because it has that raised wallet piece that you can kind of grab onto just to pick it up off of a surface. And the camera protection on here is really good. It's going to have nice camera protection, so you won't really have to worry about dropping your phone and cracking the camera lens or the camera bar on here, because that is taken care of with this case. It also does have 4-corner protection with heavy duty drop protection. So if you drop this thing on like something really solid like concrete, stone, marble, or brick or anything like that, it won't shatter. So I just want to throw that out there. The materials that they use underneath the leather part is a nice soft silicone material to it, and it feels like it's a matte material, and it might leave fingerprints on the phone after you touch it, because the oils from your fingers will eventually get on there for the most part. But it will be nice and clean, very nice, and spotless. You won't have to really clean it too much. But I just want to throw out there that the 4-card leather pocket has a really nice touch to it, and it's extremely clean. It's also real leather, which is another thing. And then they do offer 8 feet drop resistance. So if you do decide that you want to protect your phone from outdoor things, like maybe a hike or working in around an environment that requires you to have, protection all the time, because you never know what's going to happen. Maybe your phone might fall out of your pocket. But the side grips on here is another thing that I want to make note of in just a second. But when it came to the wallet case, I had no issues whatsoever actually fitting 4 cards on here. You could probably throw a business card in there with your health card, maybe your credit card and a debit card too, and maybe your ID or something like that. So if you decide you didn't want to have the wallet on there, I think it's pretty cool because they don't force you to keep it on there. You can just remove it really easily, and it's not like a struggle to take it off of there. They made it really simple. So if you have like, a need to use it, you do have that option. But if you don't want to have it on the back of there, then you can decide not to use it on there. But the packaging for this case is really nice. I do like the fact that they have that, that flap that just pops out. And then if you don't want to put cards on there, you don't have to, right? I'm the type of person that does carry a wallet on me at all times, but maybe I might, I never really carry cash on me. So this would come in handy if you don't carry cash, because you could just carry your cards. And so you basically have one thing less to worry about, which is your wallet all the time. You just put your ID in there, your credit card, and maybe a few other cards that you might be thinking about using. And it does have detailed cutouts at the top. We do have a microphone cutout, and you are able to see the bumper protection on the top and bottom, along with the Type C cutout on the bottom, as well as the speaker and microphone cutout on the bottom and top. It does offer two microphone cutouts, so you won't have to worry about audio going through or anything like that. But just a nice smooth texture with really good aerodynamic design and fit in the hand. I do like the sides because it feels like it's diamond cut, almost like braille. So when you're gripping it with your fingertips, mainly your pointer, middle finger, and ring finger and thumb, you're going to notice that with those four fingers, that's pretty much all you would need. You could put your pinky underneath it to anchor it for the most part, but it's just going to have a really nice, solid, minimal feel to it if you were just using it with one hand. And it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't make the phone feel heavy at all. And another thing that I like about this case is if you put it on a flat surface, it will be protected because it has really nice lip protection on the top of here. So you won't have to worry about your screen dragging across the surface and getting scratched. And same thing with the cameras. Those are going to be really protected as well. And the wallet piece doesn't make the case too bulky, but just keep in mind, if you do want to use that wallet case for the wireless charger, you would have to take off the wallet piece and charge it. So it's not too hard to do. You basically would just grab it with two fingers, and it is really easy to just slide out. And then underneath that material that is underneath the leather is another diamond cut material similar to the one on the sides, and it will kind of leave oils on here more often than not, so you might want to carry a microfiber cloth. But I like the fact that the wallet piece has that really nice design to it. It does say exec on the back of the wallet piece, and it does have that soft leather touch to it, which is extremely smooth. It's in a genuine leather, which is another thing. So this is going to be an extremely premium case for your Google 6 if you want something that's going to be sturdy and also fashionable and have a really nice overall design and grip to it. So it's not going to slide on the table or out of your pocket, because it's going to have really good leverage in your hand. And another thing is that if you put it on the back on a surface, it's not going to be tilting or wobbling as well, because the case evens out the camera module. And so basically you just pick up the phone, but even without the case, the camera module will be it'll be at a tilt, but with the case on, it evens it out, so it's not like tilting when it's on a flat surface. So I thought that was just something that I just wanted to make note of. But I do like the materials a lot on this case, because it has that matte black material, a jet black material. It's not like fake black. It's like that real black color with the leather as well. So it's not that off black or anything like that, but it's just like a really dark, black. It's not charcoal gray. It's not anthracite gray. It's like a deep black or whatever, and it does look really good. Does look fashionable. Does look nice with the their overall, like when you take off the wallet piece as well, it still will look really nice too. And they, like I said, they do have that built-in metal plate on the back of this guy, so you can hook up magnets to it and different attachments. Let's say you ride a bike, you can do that as well, and they have things like that that they offer. And so that's another thing that's pretty cool. So nice polycarbonate TPU materials and leather combined on this guy. And they do have other accessories, so I'll make sure to leave the belt clip, the bike mount, and the armband attachment that you can check out as well. But I overall think this is a really well thought out case, and they do have this on sale for 20% off, so I'll make sure to leave a link down below, and you can save 20% off it here. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna show up in the comment section and answer all your questions as well. But make sure you guys, leave a comment and show your support and appreciation, as well as hitting the bell icon for more videos just like this. And I'll get right back with you later, group. Peace.